Hello everyone, welcome to Always My Biology channel. Today, we are going to learn about a new lesson known as Morphology of flowering plants from 11th. All the plants from higher categories have various structures. The angiospermic, large diversity in external structure, is known as morphology. They are characterized by the presence of roots, leaves, flowers, and fruits. For any successful attempt at classification and understanding any higher plants, we need to know standard technical terms and standard definitions. We also need to know about the possible variations of different part and possible adaptation, variation habitats, protection, climbing, storage, and etc. If we pull out weed, we could see roots, stem, and leaves. There may be fruits and flowers. There are underground part of flowering plants are known as root system, while upper part is known as shoot system. The first morphology given is the root. In most of the dicot plants, the elongation of the radicle leads to the formation of primary root, which grow inside the soil. Lateral roots shows in order referred to as secondary, tertiary, roots and etc. The primary roots and its branches constitutes the tap root system. In many monocot plants, the primary roots are short-lived and they are replaced by a large number of roots. These roots are originated from the base of the stem and they constitute the fibrous root system. In some of the plants, like grass, monstera, and the banyan, roots arises from the part of the plants other than the radicle, and they are called as adventitious roots. The main function of root system, used for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil, which provide proper function of the plant part, and storing reserve food material, and standard size of plant growth regulators. Regions of root. The roots are covered at the apex by a cap-like structure called the root cap. It protects the tender apex of the root as it makes its own way through the soil. A few millimeters above the root cap is known as the region of meristematic activities, and the cells of that region is very small, thin-walled, and with the dense protoplasm. Those cells of that region undergoes a rapid elongation and enlargement which is responsible for the growth of the root in length. This region is known as region of elongation. The cells of elongation zone is gradually used for differentiation and maturation. That is situated close to the region of elongation. That place is known as region of maturation. The epidermal cells of the region of maturation is very fine and delicate. Their thread-like structure is known as root hairs. These root hairs helped in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Next, modification of roots. Roots of some plants changes their shape and structure and become modified to perform their function of absorption and conduction of water and minerals. They are modified for the support, storage of food, and respiration. Like tap roots of carrot, turnip, and adventitious roots of sweet potato, get swollen and store food. The roots like banyan tree is known as prop root. Like the stem of maize and sugarcane, have the supporting roots in the lower nodules of the stem, thus are known as stilt roots. Some plants which grow in swampy area, like rhizophora, in which roots come out of the ground and grows vertically upwards. These are called as pneumatophores, which helps to get oxygen for respiration. In our next class we can learn about stem and leaf and their functions. Until then, your friend, I am shining off. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.